Gumroad versus Stan Store. Which platform is actually better? I'm going to break down the differences so you can choose the right one for you. Let's start with Gumroad. Gumroad is perfect for selling digital products like ebooks, music, or art. It's easy to use, supports one-time sales, subscriptions, and even pay what you want options. Gumroad handles payments so you don't need to worry about that part. It's an all-in-one tool great for creators looking for simplicity. On the other hand, Stan Store is built for creators and influencers who are active on social media. It integrates smoothly with platforms like Instagram and TikTok, making it ideal for selling to your social media followers. Stan offers extra features like scheduling bookings, landing pages, and digital product sales, giving you more ways to interact with your audience. In terms of cost, Gumroad takes a cut of your sales, while Stan Stores uses a flat monthly rate. Gumroad works well for lower volume sellers, while Stan might be better if you have consistent sales and want to avoid per transaction fees. So if you're focused on digital products and simplicity, Gumroad is a solid choice. If you're a social media creator looking to maximize your audience engagement, Stan Store could be the better option.